Meron nagtatanong na meron akong phone na squishy. Tignan ko. Doon te. Wait lang. Ayun, nasa third. Tara po. Naglalaro siya. Uy, ano yan? Akin yan. Akin na yan. Of course, nakuha ko na yung phone. Alangan. Wait lang. Ayan, guys. Oh, sobrang unbelievable. Tingnan mo nga. Sobrang ganda. Wow, baya. Ito, YouTube. Ayaw ba makita yung case niya? Hello Kitty. Lagay ko na dyan sa cabinet. Ng squish. Ang papa yung isa. Wow! Capybara! What is this doing? Oh, meron siyang tinatago na squishy. Oh. Ayan ang tinatago mo na squishy. Uy, kinukuha yung squishy ko, guys.
I want to hear more, Mr. White.
The project is unique. We wanted to run a few more tests before making the final answer. Okay. It's a binary formula. The precise amount of two separate chemicals must be detonated simultaneously into the atmosphere in order for it to work.
How much do they have?
The plant carries the components of approximately 10,000 gallons.
Galaxy.
If Richter makes good his threat and releases the entire
Ayun
stockpile of
sinasabi ni
KZ-70709,
Cloudy na peeling mangoes. From part 2. Yan na squishy sa kanya. Asan na yung squishy? Na isa na watermelon. Wait lang. Hinawin niya siguro. Sapatos. Hindi. Bye-bye. Ay, bye-bye na. Wait. Isa na yun. Ay, nahanap ko. Bye-bye, perfecto naman.